Welcome back to Car Garage. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting and futuristic models from Honda, the 2025 Honda Zero Series. This electric vehicle is set to reshape the way we think about efficiency, performance, and design. With cutting-edge technology and Honda's reputation for quality, the Zero Series promises to be a game-changer in the electric car market. Let's start with the design. The 2025 Honda Zero Series boasts a sleek, minimalist exterior that combines aerodynamics with bold, modern styling. The smooth lines, aggressive front grille, and striking LED lights give it a futuristic look, while the compact design ensures agility on city streets and highways alike. Under the hood, the 2025 Honda Zero Series is powered by a fully electric powertrain. Expect impressive range, thanks to its high-capacity battery, with some estimates claiming up to 400 miles on a single charge. Honda has also integrated fast-charging technology, meaning you can get back on the road in no time. With zero emissions, this vehicle not only offers exceptional performance but also contributes to a cleaner planet. Inside, the 2025 Honda Zero Series takes things to a new level of comfort and technology. The interior is spacious, with premium materials and an intuitive layout. A large, curved digital display takes center stage, offering easy access to navigation, entertainment, and vehicle settings. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto ensure seamless connectivity, while the premium sound system guarantees a top-tier listening experience. When it comes to performance, the Honda Zero Series is built to impress. With quick acceleration and responsive handling, this electric car delivers a driving experience that rivals traditional performance vehicles. Honda's advanced suspension and all-wheel drive capabilities provide excellent traction, making it a joy to drive in various conditions. As for safety, Honda's Honda Sensing Suite is included, offering features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, collision mitigation, and more. The 2025 Honda Zero Series is designed to keep you and your passengers safe while delivering an exhilarating driving experience. With its innovative design, impressive range, and cutting-edge features, the 2025 Honda Zero Series is setting a new standard for electric vehicles. Will it be the EV that drives you to make the switch? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Car Garage, and click the bell icon for more reviews of the latest and greatest cars. Thanks for watching.